So we have this thing. No, never mind. That's a cat. This thing. That's a TV under a TV thingy. It's just like a shelf right now with two wooden pieces. So I made this thing with stolen wood, and I'm gonna put it there and see if it works. So it doesn't work since I'm a moron and measured from one side to the other and didn't account for the actual sides. It didn't fit where I wanted to, which was under here. So I need to put them on top under there. Somehow I have made a shelf for a cat. At least the cat approves. A couple hours later. Uh so I fixed it with adding the little hello. There you go. I added these little thingies and screws on this side, on both sides, so it doesn't come off, and put that on so it doesn't come forward. Now it should work. I think it came out pretty good. It hasn't fallen down yet, which is a surprise since the cat has been all over the place. But yeah, it works.